People usually wear, when we fall in love, we wear rose-tinted glasses when we can't see anything, we're blind. Same as that, I think trauma also shapes us personally. It's like we're wearing a glass out of trauma, and whatever we see, our perception really changes after any trauma in our life.
Is honesty becoming rare today?
I think from my personal experience, yes, it is becoming rare.
Do we choose partners or patterns?
Patterns, definitely patterns.
Okay, what is the secret of your cuteness?
Nothing, I don't know.
Good, thank you.
Thank you.
ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಮ ನಂಬರ್ ಸಿಗತ್ತಾ?
ಯಾಕೆ
ಇಲ್ಲ
ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರೀತಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಲ್ವಾ?